I want to appeal to parliamentarians. If there are issues of reduction of capitation, the ball is in your court. The ball is in your court. You know the state of parents in this country. And therefore, let us make sure that the idea of free basic education in this country is upheld and not interfered with, come rain, come sunshine. Even by hook or crook, make sure as parliamentarians that free education is actually seen to be in this country. We want to appreciate the Kenya Kwanza government for prioritizing education in this country. We must appreciate the government of this country. For the first time, employment of teachers in this republic has hit a whopping 76,000 in a record 2 years. We really appreciate as Kenya National Union of Teachers. As we look at the 76,000, we also want to appreciate the 2.4 billion that has been awarded in the budget for employment of another 24,000 teachers to start teaching in schools by January 2026. It is true that teacher shortage in this country is one thing that we cannot underrate.
Our teachers deserve better. The salary increment to teachers per teacher comes to 200 Kenya shillings per teacher. That is a mockery to the role that teachers are playing. I urge our teachers to receive it, but you must ask for more. Because a better teacher, a well-enumerated teacher, guarantees a better student. And the government, you have a responsibility to make sure that capitation to schools is released on time. And it must be per student, not just an average. The second thing that we are saying, on schools, we are demanding, we are not requesting that free primary education cannot go away. Our students must study for free.